Damn, 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 damn. Hey yo, good morning. Okay, so today we are going for a ride. The ride consists of very few people. We are heading out to Tamhini Ghat today. Meeting point is somewhere in middle. Good news, I have audio for myself. First review, just clips. Repetitive and a little bit boring for many people. It's recording, so I think first stop will be fuel. Today its weather is a little bad because there is chance of rain, and that is going to be a little problem because we're going to Tamhini Ghat. I will have to stop to check the direction. It's been a long time speaking to a camera. Last I think I went for a ride was, and when I spoke to the camera was, I think last June or July. I will explain who all are coming with me. People who are coming with me is Nikhil and one more friend of his who is riding CBR 300. This is going to be a first ride for all of us. For me at least it's first, Nikhil it's first, and that CBR 300 guy, he has just bought a bike and he wanted to go to Tamhini Ghat. So we were like, Nikhil messaged me yesterday night and he was like, let's go for a ride. I was a little skeptical because of the weather, and my parents were like, why are you going? Damn fool, people don't use indicators here. That's why I started my Chapri series. Okay, this is my new gloves and it's a little difficult to ride my bike with this new gloves because I'm not used to gloves. It's better to ride with a glove because it's safer. I'm not used to it, so it'll take time for me to get used to these gloves. That's why this is the first break-in ride of the gloves. I hope this is good. We have to check. I have to stop after this bridge. I'll stop before the bridge. I'll stop somewhere here only for some time. I'm sorry, Nikhil, if I'm delaying you. Let's see, this is the point I have to reach. Damn. Yo. Okay. Oh, crows. Shoo. About to fill fuel. Look right, look left, and crows. Did you follow me? What's up, bro? I don't have a biscuits. What should I do? I don't have biscuits. Sorry. Chalo, bye. Ah, there, Nikhil. Sort. He didn't know that I'm there. I'll slow down. I'll push ahead afterwards. Good morning. What's up? Triumph. Please sponsor me. That's so weird. It's a relief that I don't need my directions to go ahead. I have to notify him that I have to put petrol. Idiot. Man, they're like crampy. I'm getting used to it. Oh. Can go? Is it closed? Band hai? Band hai? Okay. Oh shit. Go. They're like overtaking the rights. Where's your friend?
I told him to come here.
Oh, okay. So lucky I was. I didn't know the route. I was just taking random routes and I came to you. I saw your like full jacket and everything. What?
You should talk to your fan.
Yeah.
And it's
We have reached a place next to Ford. Yeah, Ford showroom, and we are waiting for Nikhil's friend who is coming on a CBR 300. They're leaving ahead because I'm a little bit slow in wearing these gloves. Forgot to tell I have to put petrol. What the?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are heading out. Nikhil's leading the way as he has the holder for the phone, and the guy behind him is Aditya? Wait, I don't know his name. Welcome, Mr. Saxena. I remember that part at least. I don't fuel. I can go at least 40 kilometers aram se. We'll see in that time. The roads are not so bad. Wow, the roads are not so bad, bro. People say Tamhini Ghat is a bad road. Okay, I know I'm going to jinx myself bad. People are mad called Tamhini Ghat worst roads. Okay, jinxing myself already. Damn. Holy
Yeah.
damn, that scared the shit out of me. I hope no puppy or a dog comes in front of me. I legit hope there's a petrol pump. Ah, thank you. HP to the rescue. Damn, it's closed. HP, sorry bro. I think Indian will work. Hope Indian is there. Ah, good, there is. It's open? Oh, it's closed. Bro, it's closed.
Yeah, I'm looking for a stop. There's another one up ahead.
Is it open?
I don't know. Let me check. This is open.
Let's check. Come.
You wanna leave?
You lead. Petrol pump is behind. I know. This is a shady area.
Well, we're not over there.
I can't see any petrol pump. Damn.
I said leave it. Will you wait there?
भैया पेट्रोल किधर मिलेगा? हाँ खुला है ना? खुला है ना? Yeah, thank you. There is a possibility there's police here. Just to inform and have a clip that I told there's a police. I'm saying this now. There are blind corners here, a lot of blind corners. It's blocked. Police. Oh, it's a police naka. Damn. No police today. Cool. You got lucky. There's a lot of rain now. Not rain, drizzling now. So if there's no future clip for the GoPro, because my GoPro is not waterproof due to all these attachments, there's no waterproofing in this GoPro. I have to keep the GoPro inside.
So let's find some shelter, I guess.
Yeah. It's gonna start raining, bro. I expected this rain at least.
It's not bad.
Bad, but still, water is water, bro. So we reach a point. It's drizzling, so we just stopped. So now we'll take some pictures and then return back. We stopped at a McDonald's, and because you're hungry after a big ride.